Hello, coming at you from the Dermatology and Skin Cancer Center in Leawood to tell you the difference between a cosmeceutical and a pharmaceutical grade skincare product. Cosmeceuticals are not regulated by the FDA, so you can buy these products at any drugstore. You can also find them at most really nice department stores and pretty much anywhere that isn't a doctor's office. A pharmaceutical grade product is quite a bit different. It has to be passed through the FDA. It is considered a drug because the active ingredient is quite a bit stronger. These are the products where you want to splurge. This is where you're going to find your strong anti-aging serums in the form of proteins, retinols, and vitamin C's, as well as other antioxidants that help support your cells on a cellular level. So that's the main difference. I hope this helps you. Tell me what you want to know next and go get your warrior badge at repbadges.com.